Hi, I'm Mark. I'm the founder and main tutor of Train Locksmiths Limited. We've been a family-run company since 1986. Our course is designed for students with little or no experience in the locksmith industry. You can be assured that on completion of the course, you will have the knowledge, skill and confidence to begin your locksmith journey. Within this course, you will cover most aspects of the house, industrial and commercial industries, which will allow you to conduct over 70% of the required services. These include gaining entry techniques, repairing and replacing locks, identifying different styles of doors and locks, and fitting locks from scratch. In addition to this, each student will receive a locksmith manual, tool bag, accreditation, business plan and support services. For more information, please visit trainlocksmiths.co.uk.